Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com. Tonight is New Year's Eve. I'm going to show you how to make a limoncello bubbly cocktail. So first we want to prepare our champagne glasses. Get your champagne glasses of choice prepared. Here we go. We're going to rim the glasses with some sugar. A little bit of sugar in the bottom of a shallow dish. So you can rim that with water, or you can go ahead and rim it with lemon. And I'm going to rim ours with lemon juice all around the top edge. If a little bit gets in the glass, that's all good too. Yum. So just put upside down in your sugar, roll that rim, get a nice bit of sweet sugar on there. Plus, it's a beautiful, beautiful presentation. Set those to the side, let them kind of dry, set up. Well, they look lovely. I'm also going to prepare 2 lemon slices to garnish the side of our gorgeous champagne glass. Beautiful. Set those to the side as well. Now I'm going to use a shot of limoncello for each glass, which is kind of steep, but it is New Year's. All right, in they go. Now limoncello is a beautiful Italian lemon liqueur. So you could use champagne or a sparkling wine. Tonight we're using a bubbly from Bodacious. It's called Bodacious Bubbly and it's a sparkling wine. And we like ours sweet. So some people like theirs very dry. The limoncello is a nice addition. But hey, we're gonna kick it up a notch with the limoncello. Make sure it's nice and chilled. So that's what ours looks like tonight, Bodacious Bubbly. Carefully open your bottle. Happy New Year. Mom, are you gonna have a glass with me?
Oh, I love it here.
Perfect. All right, so let's pour our champagne or bubbly on top of the limoncello. Leave a little bit of room in the glass. You can always top up later. It smells delicious. And I'm gonna drop a couple cranberries in, frozen ones, to not only keep your champagne cool, it's gonna keep it bubbly as well. And it's a lovely color, contrast. So you can serve it just like that, or you can also garnish with a little bit of a lemon slice like I'm gonna do. Don't cut all the way through to the center. That's why they kind of collapse on you. Cut just below the center and attach that to the side of the glass. And you've got one gorgeous limoncello bubbly cocktail. Little something different for New Year's. Fresh and tangy, especially if you're having seafood, which we're doing tonight. The lemon goes perfectly. Well, one for Mom. So there you go, a gorgeous limoncello bubbly. Happy New Year, right? I like to squeeze my lemon in. Always makes it fizz a little bit more as well. And cheers, Mom.
Cheers, baby.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, darling.
To a wonderful, new, fresh start of a year.
Oh my gosh, it's delicious.
That is so delicious. It's really kicked up with the lemon. It's nice and sparkly and fresh, and it's perfect in between our courses of seafood, which have kind of been, you know, like buttery and rich and decadent. This is a wonderful, wonderful cocktail for New Year's.
That's good.
The cranberries are nice in there. They are so pretty.
Festive.
Very festive.
Oh, Jimmy, that's fantastic.
Well, I'm glad you like it, Mom. And that's how you do it, folks. That's how you make a limoncello bubbly cocktail. You can do it too, super easy. You could even rim the glass with sugar crystals and some lemon zest. That would be really nice as well, and beautiful too. Happy New Year to you and yours, from our family to yours. All right? Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim, E with a capital E, like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. Check out my instagram.com/webchefofalltrades. You can find my shows online on youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly, and you can come to my website at cookingwithkimberly.com, interact with us and subscribe and let us know what's going on in your culinary world, all right? Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.